finally a beautiful one. No more hurricane. Good morning, everyone. Day 4. It's our last day in Mexico. Sky is blue, no hurricane. It's perfect. The beach still looks a little messed up. I'm about to walk by the pool to see if anyone's swimming. We do have a massage at 9:15 until 10:15, and then we probably want to leave for the airport around 11. So I don't even think we're gonna get to swim. It's so much creepier when you have your sunglasses on, right? What do I look like? I don't know. It's creepy though. Some of the damage from yesterday. It's blowing over though. This is where we sat outside all night last night because we wanted to finally enjoy some decent weather. You guys, ocean waves is like the best noise ever. It's what I fall asleep to at night. Oh, and the beach is actually open. The biggest problem about a resort is always finding a chair. So here they give you these little tags so that you can reserve it. This one doesn't have one. So this is where I'm going to sit to edit this morning. Plate number 1, and they were serving it to you. You couldn't get it yourself this time, so that was interesting. Uploading while I eat. My food is so spicy, I had to get pineapple juice. It's better. Gracias. I wanted like one of each fruit to try, and she gave me so much. Look at these. The pan au chocolat. I don't know what this is. It tastes good. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat the seeds. Headed to the spa. And on the map it says it's in the parking lot in a separate building. So we're gonna go see. There's the salon. We'll be there tomorrow in Michigan. That's I could get for Brian. Let's go get a massage. That was amazing. So good. We are so relaxed. That was amazing. I don't know if I'm so used to deep tissue, and then I got a Swedish, but it was almost like, it almost like tingled or tickled or something like that. It was so nice.
I could like feel her getting the knots out of my back.
So nice. And you don't get them very often,
no,
so that's
I don't get them
nice.
like ever, so.
I get massages like once a month, and this was honestly one of the best ones I've ever had. So well worth the little bit of extra money. Everything looks back to normal. People are swimming. Music playing. There's a swim up bar. Man, I'm so mad we have to leave right now. Spice Girls is on the radio in Mexico. Love it. Skip the line.
United. Eso lo cuenta me United.
So we got all the way through security, and then they said we couldn't use a mobile boarding pass, so now we have to go all the way back and get a printed boarding pass. They could have told us that. Okay, now let's try security again. Airport. Now they said we need a stamp on our boarding pass. Like, I'm literally so annoyed right now. Like, why didn't anyone tell us anything? Was not super pleased with Delta's COVID travel type of thing. United was a lot better. With United, you had to, upon check-in, upload all of your documents and fill out all the forms. And so then everything was electronic and you got to go right through. But here, everything had to be printed, everything had to be paper. You had to wait in all of these lines for everything to be checked and then stamped and then go through security, which was a huge hassle because nobody knew what they were doing. Nobody said anything. There weren't signs anywhere, so it was kind of a disaster. But we made it through security. We have like maybe 30 minutes till we board. I want to see maybe if I can sneak in the lounge and grab something real quick. We'll see. Now I'm sitting here at my gate. C8. The airline TVs say C8. My boarding pass says C16, but I'm here and it says Detroit. Kristy is shopping. We did not end up having lounge access. This lounge used to be a priority pass lounge, which is what you get with your Amex, but it is no longer. And we're supposed to board in 10 minutes anyway. Like, they told us last night to get to the airport 3 hours before, and I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. But seriously, between the mess of everything and then it's just a mess. So I would have loved to have a little bit longer, but what are you gonna do? I've been running through this airport, running. And I don't have lounge access, but I need to eat. I interrupt this lunch break to let you know that they offered to put our bags under the plane, do a complimentary free check, and when that happens, I really like her hat. When that happens, I almost always go for it as long as I'm going home. When we got on to go boarding, they asked us additional questions, and I think there was supposed to be some sort of additional security somewhere that we also missed. So again, not very organized whatsoever. Kristy and I are separated on this flight. I'm in the back on a window seat, and she's up front in a middle seat. One of my tips is, if you have a Delta profile, to pick your preference on the website, because my preference says window, and that's presumably why I got a window, and she didn't pick, so that's probably why she got a middle. Because nobody picks middle, right? Have you ever picked a middle? means I don't have to wait in a customs line, even though there's not really a customs line. But usually there is, so this comes in handy a lot. Go to this kiosk. All right, it is now Saturday morning. I got home late last night and honestly just crashed on the couch. Brian wasn't home because he was off being a single dad for the week. Weren't you?
Hi. Yeah, it was a lot of fun, but yeah, props to you single parents who do that all the time. It's tough. I mean, me and Nolan had a lot of fun, but just being the person to, oh, I gotta go here, I gotta go here, I gotta call Lauren's mom and have her, because I got work, so she's gotta take them. I'm like, hey, single parents out there,
14 years.
Lauren, all the other ones out there, respects to you.
So I hope you guys liked coming to Mexico with me. Thankfully, we made it home safe from the hurricane. Honestly, the day we left, everything was perfect again. Like, they worked so hard at the resort, like cleaning it. Like, they were diving in the pool, cleaning out all the debris, and the resort looked like nothing happened yesterday when we left. So that was really cool. Like, props to Mexico. Like, you guys just
Props.
like clean everything up and get right back to normal after a big storm that scared the crap out of me personally. So yeah, so thanks so much for traveling with me. Comment below, subscribe,
like,
do all the stuff.
you know the stuff.
Just do it all.
Do it. Just
Okay.
do it.
I gotta go to work now. Bye.